2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condominium unit located on the 10th floor. Enjoy views of the Lafayette and Elizabeth Rivers, along with stunning sunsets from your balcony. 1 assigned parking space. Condominium fees cover various amenities, including gas, electricity, HVAC, water, sewer, trash removal, ground maintenance, 7-day reception desk coverage, a doorman, elevator usage, and the Cox Ultimate Cable package, over 250 channels, saltwater pool, a library, and a spacious community/meeting room. Additionally, there is a boat dock with boatslips available for annual resident rental, an outdoor grilling area, and assigned storage. A full-time maintenance supervisor and condo manager are on site. August 6, 2025.